Hi, and welcome back to a series on how to serve a range of fruits, particularly during the summer period or hot weather. This afternoon I have a small piece of coconut. Coconut is a very delicious piece of fruit. The only challenge is removing the coconut fruit from the shell. This afternoon I'm going to be using the back of a knife and continuously banging it on the coconut until it breaks. The other option is to drop this coconut on a hard surface. But today I'm just going to be banging it with the back of the knife until it breaks. The water sometimes can be used as for drinking or for use in coconut candy. But this afternoon I'm just going to be showing you how to take the fruit out of the shell and serve. So you're just using a sharp knife, being careful not to miss so you don't cut your hand. Remove the fruit from the shell. Once you've removed all the fruit, you can serve the coconut on a plate with a pinch of salt or naturally as it is. Enjoy.